ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern joining us now, and some big gains across Wall Street today.
Some terrific gains, but it didn't come without a fight. We were down 151 points at 10:30 this morning. We turned it around, up 423 points at the high, 574 points intraday. No big deal. We call it volatility, and boy, did we see it today. Indeed, we were down by a whole bunch early this morning. Then stories started coming out about maybe the trade wars won't be quite as bad as expected. Just maybe some of these tariffs might go away if a NAFTA agreement can be reached. That all said, we certainly did rally from there. Let's take a look at the numbers, and indeed impressive they are. Look at that. The Dow, 24,874.76, a gain of almost 337 points, 1.4% on volume of 808 million shares. The NASDAQ for the day up exactly 1%, closing at 7,330.70, up 73 points. That on volume of 1,978,000,000 shares. And the S&P, if those two are up, so's the S&P, up by 1.1%, not quite 30 points at 2,720.94. Well, we talk about volatility all the time, and I think it's important that you understand exactly what that really means. Do you really have to follow the movement of stocks on a day-to-day basis? The answer is it can fool you. Let's take a look at Amazon.com last week. Now, Amazon is not a cheap stock. It closed at $1,500 a share Friday, February 23rd. On Monday, it went up by almost $22. On Tuesday, it fell by $10. Then after that, we saw on Wednesday, basically no change. On Thursday, it fell by $19. Friday, up almost $7. So what's the magic number here? Look at this. The net change for the entire week was 25 cents. Yes, I said 25 cents on $1,500. That's a change in percentage basis of decimal 0.0001. So the message to all our viewers is, sure, we talk about it every day, and certainly Amazon is an example of a company that does move back and forth fairly rapidly. But at the end of the day, if you own good stocks, continue to own them. Don't get scared out by these day-to-day fluctuations, because they certainly do happen.
And up arrows today. So did Amazon go up today?
Surprise, surprise, up $23.36, a little over $1,523 a share.
Okay. Richard, thank you.
You're very welcome.